Hey everyone, this is Lucas. In this quick video, I will show you how to sign into the YouTube app on your LG Smart TV, the QR code method. It is fast, easy, and takes less than a minute. Let us get started. And that is it. You are now signed into YouTube on your LG Smart TV. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.